Good morning, students. Today you are going to learn one drug for diabetes mellitus, that is Syzygium jambolanum. I think you have already seen a plant near the LH and often seen its fruits. So Syzygium jambolanum in Malayalam, Nyaval Padam. So it is a good remedy for diabetes mellitus also. Usually its seeds, Syzygium jambolanum, its common name is jambol seeds, and these seeds are usually used as medicines. And it belongs to family Myrtaceae, and it's a remedy for diabetes mellitus, prickly heat and ulcers. Remember, it is a very good remedy for diabetes mellitus, but the characteristic point is that this diabetes mellitus is often associated with some skin symptoms like prickly heat or ulcers. These are the fruits of Syzygium. Then coming to the symptoms of diabetes mellitus of Syzygium, it is a good remedy for diabetes mellitus. No other remedy causes such a marked degree of diminution and disappearance of sugar in urine. That much power it has to reduce the sugar in urine. And the next symptom, great thirst. Patient is much weak, emaciated in spite of proper nutritious diet. Even though patient is taking adequate food, the patient seems to be emaciated. There is very large amount of urine, specific gravity high. Again, there is prickly heat in the upper part of the body. Small red pimples itch violently. That is an important feature of diabetes mellitus. The skin symptom associated with the diabetes mellitus of Syzygium, that is prickly heat in the upper part of the body that seems as small red pimples, and there is intense itching also. Again, it is a good remedy for all ulcers of skin, especially diabetic ulcerations. So the skin symptom is associated with the normal symptoms of diabetes mellitus in Syzygium. So the symptoms of diabetes mellitus of Syzygium include great thirst, weakness, emaciation. Common feature of diabetes symptoms with large amount of urine with high specific gravity. Again, these are the common symptoms of diabetes. But the important characteristic symptom of Syzygium is that the skin symptom is also associated, that is prickly heat in the upper part of the body, which looks like small pimples with intense itching, with ulcers, that is old ulcers or diabetic ulcers of the skin. So these are the important symptoms. So remember, Syzygium diabetes means the common symptoms of diabetes. You have already studied all the symptoms for diabetes, that is thirst, polyuria, polydipsia, emaciation, etc. But even though patient take enough food, the patient is emaciated, and also the diabetes symptoms is associated with skin symptoms, that is the prickly heat, or especially on the upper part of the body with red pimples. Intense itching is marked. Also for diabetics ulceration. Then here you have to compare other remedies. First one is uranium nitricum. Here also the common symptom of diabetes is there, that is excessive thirst, ravenous hunger. But the keynote symptoms of uranium nitricum is that the patient is very much emaciated, debility, and tendency to ascites or general dropsy. But general dropsy is a marked feature with the common symptoms of diabetes mellitus. Here in Syzygium, the skin symptoms, especially the red pimples or itching and diabetic ulcers, are the characteristic which differentiate. Here in argentum nitricum, apart from the general symptom, there is also dropsical ascites associates. Also in uranium, they are eating followed by much flatulence and also boring pain in peptic region. Also remedy for gastric and duodenal ulcers. Then next remedy to compare is phosphoric acid. Here the debility is the marked feature, where the mental debility is followed by physical debility. And in phosphoric acid, the characteristic urine, that is milky urine, and also there is frequent maturation at night. Then urgent nitricum. Urgent nitricum, patient has craving for sweets and also belching. Almost all the complaints are associated with the belching. And diarrhea അല്ലെങ്കിൽ gastric symptoms occur as a result of much sugar intake. Also, in urgent nitricum, there are peculiar mental features, that is, peculiar mental impulses, and time passes too slowly, also associated with the symptoms of urgent nitricum. Then, in case of acetic acid, there is intense thirst and wasting and debility are also characteristic. Then urine, large quantity. That is, profuseness is a characteristic feature of acetic acid. The thirst, urine, sweat, all are in profuseness is marked. Also, the symptoms is associated with much wasting and debility. Then Alzheimer. Alzheimer can't bear sight or smell of food. Patient has much thirst, but he drinks only little at a time. Great thirst is there, but takes only little water at a time. And also much craving for acids and coffee. And urine is scanty, albuminous, epithelial cells are there, pus, blood, etc. So it is a good remedy for Bright's disease, that is nephritis also. Then about Cephalandra. Cephalandra is indicator for diabetes mellitus and diabetes insipidus, where the noticeable feature is that burning sensation all over the body is the important feature of Cephalandra indica. Here in Syzygium, the skin rashes or the ulcers are characteristic, but in Cephalandra, the burning of skin all over the body is the marked feature. Then abroma. There is polyuria, polydipsia, etc., but there is a marked dryness of the thirst. Dryness of mouth is characteristic feature of diabetes, but in case of abroma, even though patient takes water, drinking relieves the thirst, but the dryness persists, and also there is fishy odor of the urine. So the characteristic dryness of the throat and mouth even after taking enough water, that is a feature of abroma. In Cephalandra, burning sensation, here the rashes. Then also phosphorus, lycopodium and other remedies we can consider as constitutional remedies. So that is all about abroma. The thing only you have to remember in abroma is it is a remedy for diabetes mellitus. And you can write because you know the features or symptoms of diabetes mellitus, but you have to add the skin symptoms, that is a prickly heat, then diabetic ulcers or any ulcers associated with the diabetes. That is all about Syzygium. Thank you.